Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and this is a special episode. Now every garden has a story, and this one, it was ready for a brand new chapter. Over the past couple of days, Donna and I took on our very first paid gardening job as opengategardening. And honestly, it's been a bit of everything. We've been replacing rotten sleepers, lifting and relaying a sunken patio, digging out a border that had completely lost its spark. And in between all of that, there's been plenty of weeding, shaping and bringing some structure back to the space. This wasn't just a tidy up, this was a full reset. So we'll show you where we started, how things looked at the end of day one, and of course, how it all came together in the end. So, if you enjoy seeing real garden transformations, a bit of hard graft, and the kind of progress that only comes from getting stuck in, you're going to love this one. So as always, enjoy. So this weekend's commission is to sort out these raised beds, general tidy up, trim the bushes, and weed, pressure wash the patio, and relay the slabs that are uneven and sunk, weed all the beds and borders, and around the back as well. Again, pressure washing patio, freshen it up. So that's on the back of this commission. And then to the front of the property, general tidy up. Weed the gravel, weed the beds. Again, just a general tidy up of the front of the property. So at end of day one, we've replaced the sleepers. We have to replace more than we expected. Place these two and the one under a step. We've replaced that. We've pressure washed the patio. These are the slabs that want relaying, so they're just drying out. Down here, pebbles for the wild garlic. So I'm taking that out. And then the client wanted the sideboard digging out, so that's all done as well. So that's all clean, tidy, ready for planting. There were some lovely ferns in there, so what we've done is added those to the two planters that they've got. Just a nice little greenery against the wall. Shame to throw them away. End of day one. So end of day two, the bay bushes trimmed, patio and step laid and level, bush trimmed, and these bushes lifted and trimmed, cut back, and all the border all dug out, kept in all the plants that are worth keeping. All the others have been taken out, removed, but looking so much better. 2 days work. Looking lovely. So end of day two, tidy the front up as well. Weeded the borders. Got all the weeds out of the gravel. Down the side. Weeded and took out some rose bushes. Weeded the gravel. Cut back some of these bushes to make it easier to get in the house, and we've trimmed the bush back there just so it's a bit brighter, so lifted the canopy a little bit. Client's happy. It's looking lovely. 2 full days work. Beautiful. And just like that, 2 days later, this garden has a completely new feel. It's amazing what can happen when you take a step back, put the time in, and really listen to what a space needs. This one means a lot to us because it's our very first paid job as open gate gardening. Everyone starts somewhere, and this is our starting point. It wasn't just about fixing what was broken. It was about bringing the garden back to life and creating something that feels good to be in again. And that's really what it's all about. If you've enjoyed coming along with us on this transformation, we'd love for you to stick around and follow the journey, because this is just the beginning. There's plenty more to come from both our own gardens and the projects we take on along the way. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and more importantly, at Open Gate Gardening.